Welcome to this new 2025 Salem FSX 178B HSK. As we first walk into this travel trailer, we first see the Murphy bed, which can easily switch from a sofa into a bed. Next, we walk into the kitchen area, which has a 2-burner stove, a microwave, and a 12-volt refrigerator that has dual swinging doors. Then we also have a dinette booth that can transition into a bed and bunk beds, which allow this camper to accommodate up to 8 people to sleep in. As we move to the outside of the camper, we can see some of the exterior features such as the pass-through storage. This camper is 23 feet long and has a 14-foot awning. It also has an outdoor shower and an outdoor kitchen. Thank you for watching and touring the Salem FSX 178 BHSK with me today. More info on this unit will be in the description below. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you would like to see next, and stop by here at Stellhorn RV and Camping Center in Kokomo, Indiana.